Hello everyone, I'm Defne Çetinkaya. I'm a freshman industrial engineering student at Bilkent University. In this video, I will be presenting my Physics 102 project. The title of my project is Calculating Values of Resistance Using Kirchhoff Laws and Whetstone Bridge. The aim of this experiment is to understand how the fundamental circuit elements work and what their characteristics are. Another objective of this experiment is that determining the value of unknown resistance by applying Kirchhoff laws and using Whetstone Bridge. In order to calculate it, principle of Whetstone Bridge and finding the rheostat's value by using ratio proportions were used. Now, these are the equipments that I use in my experiment.
A DC power supply, a galvanometer, a resistance with the magnitude of 150 ohm, another resistance with 150 ohm magnitude, third resistance with the magnitude of 270 ohm, a rheostat, a multimeter. First of all, we are connecting our circuit elements. By adjusting the rheostat, we are creating the balance condition of the Whetstone bridge and make sure the galvanometer shows 0. Now we are going to calculate rheostat's theoretical value by using this formula. Rheostat's total value is 1000 ohm. Arranged length of it is 5 centimeters. Total length of it is 22.65 centimeters. Now we are calculating the experimental value of rheostat by using multimeter. After measuring rheostat's experimental value, we are calculating the experimental values of each resistor by using this equation. As a result, we are calculating the percentage errors by comparing the real values and experimental values of resistors and rheostat.
Overall, the experiment has been conducted successfully, and I managed to reach similar values of resistors' real values. It has been clearly shown that it is possible to calculate these values by using Whetstone bridge and its balance condition. However, some errors occurred due to some incapabilities in the experiment setup. The first reason for these errors is that preciseness of the rheostat and calculating its value. While calculating it, a ruler is used, which can be not accurate enough to calculate exact value of it. Moreover, the real values of resistors may not be the exact values, which means that they can each include slight errors about their approximate values. Hence, this situation will also affect the experiment results. Another reason for errors is that creating a balance condition and arranging the galvanometer to show exactly 0 may not be possible due to the human factor in the experiment. Consequently, preciseness of measuring devices, having an approximate value of resistors, and the human factor are the reasons of errors that occurred in this experiment. This was the end of my Physics 102 lab project video. Thank you for listening to me.